1000. Let us now learn how to multiply numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. When we multiply a number by 10, we add the 0 in the 10 to the right of the number to get the result. Let us multiply 7 by 10. Add 1 0 to the right of 7 to get the result as 70. By the same logic, 36 multiplied by 10 is 360. 47 multiplied by 10 is 470. When we multiply a number by 100, we add the 2 zeros in the 100 to the right of the number to get the result. Let us multiply 12 by 100. Add 2 zeros to the right of 12 to get the result as 1200. By the same logic, 43 multiplied by 100 is 4300. When we multiply a number by 1000, we add the 3 zeros in the 1000 to the right of the number to get the result. Let us multiply 8 by 1000. Add 3 zeros to the right of 8 to get the result as 8000. By the same logic, 4 multiplied by 1000 is 4000. Before proceeding further, let us know how much you have learned. Click the correct option. Great work! Think again. Great work! Think again. Great work! Great work! Multiplication of two-digit numbers. Let us now learn to multiply two-digit numbers. Let us multiply 63 by 4. Firstly, multiply 3 by 4. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Place 2 under the line at the ones place. Write 1 above 6 at the tens place. Then multiply 6 by 4 and add 1 above 6. 4 into 6 plus 1 is equal to 25. Place 25 below the line. Answer is 252. Now let us multiply 32 by 12. 1. Multiply 2 by 2 to get 4. Write 4 below the line at the ones place. 2. Then multiply 3 by 2. Answer is 6. Place 6 below the line at the tens place. 3. Mark a cross below 4. 4. Multiply 2 by 1. Place the 2 below 6. Multiply 3 by 1. Place the 3 to the left of 2. Now add these two numbers. The answer is 384.